how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is all about self-care. Well, I'm in this healthy phase where I'm trying to eat better, to have a self-care routine, to be more fitter, healthier, exercise, just putting your life all together. And honestly, it's been really long that I have done that. We mommies do know how to take care of our babies, our families. Amidst of all these things, we totally forget about our needs, which is, in my opinion, not at all fair. So these days, I am just trying to take out a little bit of time for myself, just to have a little bit of me time. This is not my every single day of the week looks like. Like I have different priorities, different motivation levels every day. So I try to do these small things, whatever I feel like, which makes me feel zen and that I put my ish together. I don't know if that makes sense. So in this video, I will be showing you a typical example of how my day looks like. So without wasting much time, let's just jump into the video. I hope you will enjoy. Personally, I feel before starting with the morning routine, one needs to have a night routine. So I am setting my alarm. Currently, it's 9:30 right now. I know it's early, but I had a long day. So I'm gonna get up at 5:30 a.m. tomorrow. It's about 8 hours of sleep, which is ideal. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, hello guys. I have just woken up and it's 5:30 in the morning. I have just done a bit of skincare. You guys must be wondering why I have woken up so early. Honestly, I have reached that point in motherhood where I want to wake up before my baby does so that I can have some time for myself in peace and silence. Like, that is the only thing. So I am super fresh and ready to start my day. So, the first thing that I do after waking up is to have warm lemon water. So before I jumpstart with my day, I like to step outside and take few minutes to breathe, to meditate, and anyways, I love the sound of nobody talking to me while I drink my lemon water. So, I absolutely love Headspace app for meditation. Overall, I love the aesthetics, how cute and animated it is. I love the Sleepcast, the wake up features too. So it's a paid app for only about 8.99 rupees a year, which is like quite affordable. So if you are looking to spend few minutes in relaxation and total calmness before kickstarting your day, it is a great choice. Oh, I got cute company, some neighbor's dog. Hi Paris. I also love walking on the grass barefoot. It is so calming. So after spending some time alone, I go back for my workout. Another habit that I have finally started is exercise. I mean, it's been 9 months postpartum and now it's high time I should do something to take care of the body. We're working out by following this app by Melissa Wood Health. So MWH method involves a series of slow controlled, low impact movements combining yoga and Pilates to sculpt long lean lines throughout the body. Right now my goal is to get fitter because I feel the body changes so much after pregnancy. I am not in a hurry, neither I am rushing this process because I believe fitness is not about to achieve a temporary goal, like to lose a few kilos, but it is a big lifestyle change. So I am very patient, but yes, I try to work out at least 4 times a week right now, which I know it is not much, but it is a decent level to start with. So it's Elia's wake up time and I will be back after some mommy duties. So I'm going to be revealing what products I'm actually using from last 2 months that has been such a game changer. Like my hair, they feel super soft, voluminous, and they are completely frizz free. So without wasting much time, let me introduce you to this brand. Yay! So this is actually the brand called Bare Anatomy, and trust me guys when I say this, I've been using their products from quite some time now. I feel incredible change the way my hair feels right now, the way they look right now. I had crazy hair fall situation also, that has also considerably reduced. So I'm going to be telling you what and how I actually use it. So these are the products that I use. So actually I masked my hair prior to my workout scene, so the product stays in my hair for good 1 hour. Just that I want the product to set in properly in my hair so that I can get desired results. So let's begin. So after washing the mask, I use the shampoo, and here is a pro tip guys. Whenever you are shampooing your hair, gently massage the product in the scalp in circular motions. Don't rub or scrub the hair hard because it leads to hair fall. So after a few minutes, I rinse the shampoo out and I use the conditioner, but only at the strands, like from the halfway of my length of the hair to the bottom. And I totally avoid the scalp area because then the hair becomes greasy and all flat. And I leave the product on for at least 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I dance, I scrub, whatever, la-di-da. So I have been loving the bath essentials from Bath and Body Works. This one smells like spa. Highly recommend these products. They are just great. So after I shower and make up, I use my Dyson Airwrap to style the mane.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
And voila, I'm ready. So I just did my hair and my makeup and I am dressed. And I'm wearing this coordinate set from Zara. Well, there's something about coordinates that I really like. Is that it makes you look put together. So they are always my number one choice to why I always shop for coordinate pieces. Another aspect of having a good routine is to actually get ready early in the day, that you put your makeup on, you get your hair done. I believe that it makes you feel really productive and you get things going. You put yourself out there, and this is what I had the intention and this is what I want to do today. So yeah, I'm ready for the day. But right now guys, I am starving like crazy, so it's breakfast time. So finally I got some time to have my breakfast. So guys, these days I am completely into these smoothie bowls. I mean, I always alternate between different fruits and vegetables. I also alternate between eggs, like eggs in any form. It could be scrambled, it could be sunny side up, it could be omelette, like different versions of egg, and that's just fine for me. I love these smoothie bowls because they are so nutritious. They are packed with vitamins, and the best part is it is super yum. It's almost like having dessert for breakfast. What else can you ask for? Bon appetit. So at this time, or whenever I get the opportunity, as in when Alaya is taking a nap or she's busy, I make most of the time and edit my vlogs, because editing takes forever and I don't get much time around the day. So yeah, doing what I really love at this point of time. And I guess I can hear Elias awake, so I will be back after some time. So here I'm having my chicken salad. So I prepped the chicken last night and today I just added a few veggies, chickpeas and Italian seasoning on top and along with my matcha. So again I go back to my editing scene and that's how my half of the day goes by. I know guys, you must be thinking that how can you do all of these things while taking care of a baby, you being a new mom by yourself. And I also acknowledge the fact that everyone's situation is not same. Everybody doesn't have that much of time. You might be working also, you might be doing different things, but I am not asking you to do each and everything that I am showing in this video. It's just that I want to say that take small steps for yourself just to make you feel happy and alive. This is what my intent is in making this video and nothing else. Guys, I would like to tell you one thing, that even my life isn't that perfect, as in I have erratic sleep schedule, I binge on unhealthy snacks most of the time, I am always not productive, and I also struggle with confidence and insecurities whatsoever. It is never my intent to make people feel bad about themselves or set unrealistic standards or pretend that my life is all rosy. It's just that I am trying to find a best version of myself amidst of all this chaos. It's just that I enjoy the beauty of making life put together. For example, when I get dressed, I put makeup on, I feel so much confident and I love that version of myself. Things like when I get up early in the morning, I feel supercharged and motivated. I just feel one thing, that in motherhood, I didn't lose myself. Rather, I found the best version of me. I'm super blessed and grateful for an amazing new phase of my life and my baby. And honestly, I don't feel guilty for sometimes missing the part of my pre-mom life. But that doesn't even mean that I don't love the person now that I have become, and I continue to know more every day as mom. One thing I have learned in my life is to make yourself a priority. The way you speak to yourself matters. Put yourself at the top of your to-do list along with other responsibilities, because you are important. I simply believe in keeping working on yourself, whether it is mental or physical. Like, we can always grow more as people. Like, doing these small habits directly affects our moods, and our overall outlook also gets better in dealing with everyday situations. And very importantly, to be a good parent, I think you need to take care of yourself so that you can have the physical and emotional energy to take care of your family.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up, cause I just wanna see the light.
Come to mama.
I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly. I
Oh
won't
my
become
god, who's this pretty girl? Elia? That was all that I wanted to show you in today's vlog. I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and if you get motivated even teeny tiny percent, I will be really happy. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you feel like, and have you adopted or you are trying to incorporate some kind of change. And guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time very soon. Till then, take care. Mwah.